at the studio, and today we're going to show you how to make a
clay pot
person. Okay, so we are all making one person. So Kayla is doing the arms and legs, which are mini pots, and me and Jenna are doing the body and head. I'm doing the head, she's doing the body, and we are just painting with some peach to make the skin color, and we're just using these foam brushes. Okay, so now we're using paintbrushes just to go over our first coat that we did with the sponge brushes, and it's making it look a lot better. Okay, so we are making a girl that's wearing a bikini, and so now that we've let our pots dry, we're just going to sketch the face. Jenna is sketching the bikini, and I'm just doing the facial features right now, like the eyes. You know, just like that. And what's cool is we're going to put both of ours on top of each other in a little bit.
I'm coloring in the bikini top.
Alright, so we've got this metal wire that's bendable, and what we're going to do is we're going to attach the arms and feet. So this is one of the feet or legs, and since there's those holes at the top, or well, it's actually the bottom, but you know what I mean. You're going to put it in there like that with the wire, and then bend it like that so that it can't come back out of the hole, and then pull it up again. Oh. There it goes. So that it stays. Okay, so I've got my two legs here, and they each have a wire. And what you're gonna do is put it through the hole of your body. So like that. And then get a washer. And then you're just gonna wanna bend it like this so it stays and so the legs dangle. Okay, so these are the arms, and we did the same thing with the legs, just like that. And you wanna make sure these wires are even. This goes for the arms and the legs. So just kind of cut some off. And then what you're going to do is get a washer and your head. And you are going to put that washer in that hole. Stick it in. There you go. So that it goes through the washer and through the hole. And then, just like the legs, you just want to bend some just to make it stay. Okay, so we glued the head and the body together, just like that. And we used E6000 glue, but you can just use hot glue. It's the same. But yeah, just make sure you hold it in place and let it dry well.
Look at her cute bathing suit. It looks cool. Her makeup makes her so pretty.
Okay, so we are pretty much done. I recommend that you spray a clear coat so that the paint job lasts longer. And we recommend you put a great plant in so that she has some hair.
Anyways, I hope you like our video. Please subscribe.
And check out other videos on our channel.
Bye!